Vocabulary development purpose, I conducted Can you tell me what this is activity? Here I have collected lot of things. These are all toy items that we can use in the everyday life.
This is
I will introduce the word through
this is can.
this activity.
This is
Here,
basket.
children
This
can
is
touch
grapes.
and feel
This
the
is
objects.
corn.
The name
This
of
is
the object will
flower.
remain in the
This
mind.
is telephone.
They did not
This
forget.
is iron box. Cooker. This is hot box. This is battery. This is tray. This is brush. This is mirror. This is dice. This is hammer. This is lip. This is spanner. This is kite. This is diamond. This is flag. This is lock. This is blade. This is knife. This is chocolate. This is fish. This is gun. This is cup.
There are 5 forks on our school premises. Each fork have one blackboard. Here we write lot of English word every week and children read it weekly so that children vocabulary growth in this weekly word activity.
Insects: ant, bedbug, bee, caterpillar, spider, mosquito, cockroach, scorpion, cricket, butterfly. Trees: arecanut, bamboo.
Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Days of the week: numbers, plants, professionals, games.
Nations: father, mother, son, daughter, aunt, uncle, signals: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Fruits: apple, mango, orange, papaya, grapes. Parts of speech.
Parts of speech.
Noun,
pronoun,
verb,
adverb,
adjective,
preposition,
conjunction.
dry fruits,
almond, apricot, berry, beetle nut, blackberry, cashew nut, date, fig, groundnut, cherry.
Word pyramid game. Here students able to make big words to small word. In this activity children will learn new words with their spelling. This activity helps children to develop their vocabulary.
Stone. T-O-N-E, ton. T-O-N, ton. O-N-on, O. A-N-D, tan. A-N-D, ant. Ant. S-E-A-R-E. S-C-A-R-E. Scare.
Capital letter ಎಲ್ಲ
E-A-R. Cake. C-A-R. Car. A-C. Goat. G-O-T. God. Go. C-A-T-C-H. Cat. C-H-A. Cat, C-A-T, cat. AT at C. ನಾವೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
Hunting activity. The most frequently used words beginning with each alphabet of English were written and charted. Giving this chart to the children as homework.
Back.
Learn their meaning and
Back
pronunciation.
Back grape. BAKERY bakery. Bakery. Bakehouse. Nile.
Finding new word. In this activity, students make so many words from one word. In this activity, children will develop their vocabulary.
Resource. Yes. Yes. O. U. R. Sir. O. U. R. Our. S. O. So. S. O. U. R. C. E. Source. Learning. L. E. A. R. N. Learn. I. N. In. E. A. R. Ear. N. Ran. A. N. An. L. A. T. E. Late. S. L. A. T. E. Slate.
Butterfly. B U T. Bird. B U T T E R. Butter. F L Y. Fly.
Fan.
Memory game.
Gun.
In this activity,
Cylinder, duster,
students
tree,
identify the
elephant,
things
water
and
bottle,
recall the names
flag,
of the things.
duck, grape,
So,
snake,
the thing's
watch,
name
dog,
always
ball,
remain in the
auto rickshaw,
mind of the
abacus.
children. In this way, the vocabulary will develop in children.
Fan, gun, duster, cylinder, dot, snake, ball, flag, watch, grapes.
Okay.
Abacus, watch,
Think of the concept word given in the mind map activity. The students write several items related to it. So the vocabulary develops.
school. P L A Y play. G R O U L E playground. T E T E A C H E R teacher. S C H O O L school. U N I F R O M uniform. D forest. I N S E C T S insects. F L O W E R flower. A N I N A L.
Home. F A M E L E family. F A
Hospital. D O C T E R doctor. N U R S E nurse.
Slide chart. Here, teacher make the slide chart and a progress report on the slide chart. Once the child has finished learning, mark it in a progress letter and move on the next slide. Here, the child learn with a competitive attitude.
Dress S. Shirt, coat, socks, sweater, saree, skirt, frock, salwar, shoes, jeans, slipper, blouse, pant. I did slide 1. Actions: standing, clapping, acting, reading, running, walking, writing, drinking, singing, smiling, going. I have completed slide 2.
Calendar of daily words. The calendar about the critical words of the lessons. Here I give the toughest words of that lesson on a daily basis. 10 words a day. Children learn those words throughout the book. The word grid activity. Some vehicle, fruits, vegetable, etc. are horizontally, vertically heights in the grid. Children identify those words and improve their vocabulary.
Rope. Snake. Snake. Snake.
E-Y-E-I. E-Y-E-I. P. Parrot.
S-U-N sun. S-N-A-L-I-L snail. G-R-E-E-N green.
Card. Teacher will give picture chart to the child as a homework. Then the child identify the picture and write the particular name of the picture.
Soldier, teacher, driver.
Place the object activity. The teacher writes the names of the object in the particular place and provide picture or model of the object. Student read the name and place the object.
Tiger. Snake. Donkey. Giraffe.